You gonna cut off the ass cheeks to your BMW.
What?
My vlog
Y'all don't want to fucking edit the vlogs and
What's
shit.
that
Motherfucker's name from GTA.
By the time y'all see this, my first vlog.
Stop the cap.
will be out.
Car done this shit. Huh? That motherfucker from GTA who fix your cars. GTA Los Santos Customs.
He said, I'm Johnny on the spot.
You calling for some wheels? I'm Johnny on the spot. I'll hook you up.
What's wrong with her now? Bro, it'd be funny when you pull into the garage and you go into animation and somebody comes in that bitch and just fucking
Just like sprays.
That bitch harder than fuck.
It's not. No, maybe no. We're no food. So what's that? We got to do it.
Can't see that.
Oh my god, it's too low, dude.
Fuck it. You see?
To get in.
Shout out to someone.
Yeah, it's open. Turn it on. Turn it on.
Don't get in it. Don't get in it. Don't get in it. Don't get in it. Don't. Oh, I'm not gonna get in it. That bitch sound good.
That bitch sound decent, low key.
That's just the muffler, bro.
Damn.
That's a huge bitch.
That's what your big ass VA had.
That's like finger shit, bro. For real.
Somebody shooting a ray gun in this bitch.
Pack punch.
You want me to do it because I'm smaller? What's that, y'all? Woo! This bitch sound good. Hell yeah, that bitch sound badass.
This shit, bro, what's it? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Carbon monoxide.
I feel it already.
Fall out. Carbon monoxide. I think this makes sense.
Damn, you was smelling carbon monoxide.
It's your fault if we die.
You're liable.
It's his fault. It's his fault if he die. I don't got life insurance, nigga. If I die, it's your fault. You do? How much you got? How much kill is that right now? We need that. 4,000?
400.
I need that.
400K?
400.
Smoke this nigga right now. Hey, we good, bro. We'll give some to
Bro,
your kids.
it's gonna go straight to the beneficiary.
Who is the beneficiary? Did you put me on that, motherfucker? Did you put me on that? You didn't put me on there? That nigga fake. Why can't I get none of that bread? I thought we was homies, folks.
Put me on your life insurance.
I got you. If I die, you get
That's just
some.
on it, bro.
Nah, bet it's mine.
Let's see, do it the other way.
That's us trying to guard you like that.
Oh shit, you gotta go.
Not too loud.
Not too loud. That's just crazy. That shit. Hell yeah. That shit was silent. Damn. I feel like it could be louder. It's alright.
That's crazy. At it again. Why does it keep going out of focus? Bro, it's a bunch of them. It's like.
What up, y'all? YouTube.
We do the rest of the exhaust because I had cut it off and was driving like that for a few days, but I noticed that the rear bumper was getting hot. So it's time to like weld. The exhaust can have somewhere to escape.
Shut up, Pops. Shut up, Pops. Because you know how to use it, bro?
No, si no sabe, no va a poder, hijo.
I'm good.
You're high?
No.
Alright, y'all. Look what I did. Just like.